All right. So here we go. We're trading now. Key level right here at 602.44. Big order block. Although that's news induced, so we got to be careful with that. We might sweep. We might be sweeping liquidity above this high before coming down, or we'll come back all the way up into this order block before making a move. Um, we're just about to get to pre-market high. What do you mean, shush? What are you talking about? Come on, Carson. All right, cool. Tingus Pingus. That's a funny clip. All right. Let's gotta check Forex Factory real quick. Make sure we don't have any impactful news coming out today. Yeah, just 8:30. I checked this yesterday. Unemployment claims. Um, okay, below forecast. All right, not terrible. Red folder though, but we avoided. Oh god, we avoided that, so I'm not too worried. On the 2 hour right now. See if anything looks good on the 15 minute. $15 looks really bullish. Same with 30 minute came off this order block. It's a good look. Hour, yeah, we're coming in this order block with the news. That's my only worry for anything with longs. I don't know how the market's gonna react to this because this was all from news. Um, I mean, absolutely insane dump off. Brutal. I saw good Carson. Good looks. Contracts are pretty cheap right now. Nothing crazy. Looking at around $70 for puts and 34 for calls. Nothing insane. It's kind of boring just sitting here looking at the charts. But this is trading. It's all good though. Maybe a couple bucks. Better have another change of character right here. Better break this high. Whoops. Right here. See if anything. See if we can get any plays off that. Probably a lot of liquidity. In all honesty, a lot of short orders sitting. Probably I saw it on the 2 hour off this kind of a bearish hammer. There are probably a lot of orders that are bad to get stopped out relatively quickly. They're probably targeting something like this. But yeah, so we're hunting out for that liquidity first before most likely making a move down. I'm not entirely sure. There's the break of structure. We just got it. Not a lot of volatility in the market day after Christmas. These moves aren't gonna be too quick. Let's drop down over a low time frame, see if we see anything. Yeah. This is one of the breaking structures we had. This is the one that really just hit or that we're trying to hit that high up there. Nothing crazy. Would have been a nice entry to catch off this order block down here. Liquidity sweep onto that order block. Then we start pushing up. Time management, Carson. It's all good. I mean, you get used to it. Still young. You got some time to figure everything out. What's that button do? But yeah, just time management, having priorities. There you go. As I break the structure again, it's kind of dancing right at this price point. Whoops. Yeah, 16. Yeah, price is better push right above this high that we're seeing out here. That's a nasty entry for shorts, by the way. Off that, that's why we might have some people getting stopped out relatively shortly. Now for that liquidity into this 2-hour order block. We don't have that on the 4-hour. Yeah, it's this huge red candle right here. It's FOMC. They kind of manage the nation's money, and they had a press conference a couple days ago. They said some things that people didn't like regarding interest rates, kind of stuff like that. Just regarding investments and people's money with banks and stuff. How do I know this? A lot of time and research, man. This doesn't happen overnight. I've been at this for 2 years. Did we touch that? Did we touch that order block? Ugh, price actually just went to 206.40, 202.48. In all honesty, I don't know how we're gonna react off this news candle. It's kind of tough. Kind of tough to tell what price is gonna want to do next. In all honesty, whoops. Um, shorts do look really nice right now, but of course, if price wants to continue pushing up into this order block up here, um, obviously gonna get stopped out and lose a bunch of money, which we don't want. But yeah. How do I know when to trade? Nah, nah. I like answering the questions. I don't know when to trade if it just dumps. This is tough because this was with news. Um, I don't trade off of news. I stick to price action, which is kind of all these green and red boxes that you see everywhere. I like to trade off of these the best. So I actually did a couple of days ago. It's called a fair value gap. This huge gap that this candle makes. Ended up taking a couple trades off of this zone, and we're still working through it, but we're just about to get back above this big red candle with the news. So that's why I'm kind of like, I don't know what I want to do regarding some of these order blocks. Especially where is it? Biggest profit. Made a short. We're on QQQ. How did that happen? There it is. Biggest profit. I made a video a couple weeks back. $3,400. That was a crazy day. In all honesty, I don't think that's ever going to happen again. I would like to see it happen again, but that was my biggest day by far. I caught a crazy move off of a retracement into one of these red rectangles, and then had a liquidity sweep on top of that. So it was a really good entry. On the 15 minute, if price pushes down enough, I don't hate the look of this. We're right now we're at an inverse hammer, but if that candle pushes down red, we're gonna be looking at a bearish hammer. And I wouldn't hate to trade, especially off of this liquidity right here that we just took out with this high. We break that with the wick. If price keeps pushing down, probably we need a substantial move because whoops, because this is news induced, but I don't know, somewhere around there. So if we have a dump off of this order block, we didn't really retrace into it too well. So I wouldn't target anything crazy. I might just target these lows. Well, now we have a bearish order block just popped up. Although we do also have this fair value gap down here that we got to be aware of. Yeah, so these candles and wicks, the candle is kind of the entire thing with the rectangle and the line. And the wick or the line, obviously, those are lines coming out the top and bottom. They track price action over a certain amount of time. So right now, you see the 1H, that's 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. So for daily, this is 1 day. One candle represents a whole day of price action. 2 hour, one candle is 2 hours. You can go all the way down to 1 minute, 30 seconds for some crazy stuff. I stay away from those lower time frames. But yeah, well, this huge red one, this was in 2 hours. But if we look on the daily, there was that whole day was just completely red, and the day after that, and then we come in. This is actually a great multi-day trade down here off this green or off this bearish order block. But yeah, like I said, that news. That's why I'm a little hesitant with some of these short positions, just because I don't know how we're gonna react off of this order block up here with this news. Puts are sitting around $60. I wouldn't hate hopping in. Whoops. If we get the right confirmation, obviously we don't want to hit FOMO, fear of missing out. We don't want that. Yeah, 15-minute looks good. 30-minute is getting there. Hour. Although we did just hit the hour a little bit ago, so or a half hour. Or we're coming up on a half hour, I should say. A lot. Oh, just to kind of understand what this candle's telling us. So you can see it has a long wick on the top and this short red body. So in this 15 minutes, buyers price all the way up here, right? This is kind of zoomed in, but sellers push price all the way back down, or actually, sorry, further down. So that gives us this rectangle down here, and then this wick coming off the top, right? Pretty straightforward concept. It's very powerful to trade with, especially on higher time frames. What jersey? I got Iverson and I got Jordan over there. Big fans of them. Yeah. Let's see. A hanging one? What's my camera saying? Hold on. This. I got Nick Foles all the way on the back wall. My fault. I forgot that was in frame. Yeah, Nick Foles back there. It's autographed too. Kind of crazy after that 2017 performance, Super Bowl MVP. Really special. But whoops. Yeah, pretty nice, pretty cool. Yeah, yeah. Oh, what's going on, Cass? How we doing, man? Christmas was good, man. How was yours? Hopefully, I was able to spend time with some family and stuff. It was nice. It was nice. But now back to the charts. Oh, I forgot you're a Pats fan too. That's funny. Um, yeah, if we get a candle close, I don't know if I'm sitting here till 1. That's even less volatility. We're about to that looks gross for shorts. I don't know. No order block, no bearish or no, sorry, no bullish order blocks on any higher time frames. Excuse me. Yeah, today it's tough trading today. Not a lot of volatility. People still have off from a lot of people are still taking off from Christmas and stuff. Um, yeah, man, that was a good year, 2017. Good year for us. I went to the parade, so that was tough. Yeah, if we let's see, half hour close is coming up in about 4 minutes. If we see a bearish hammer with this candle right here, um, something similar to this one over here, I don't hate the look of shorts, and I'll probably hop in there. Yeah, 1 hour looks gross. 30-minute every time. Oh, 15 looks gross too. Um, yeah, if we invalidate this, there's not even really a fair value gap there. We didn't have a candle close yet. Like I said, we're gonna wait for 12:30 to hit with the half hour, and probably yeah, it's gross. All right, let's hop on a 2 hour. About to get in a trade here. See something exciting finally. Stop loss. I don't want a huge stop. If we come back into this bearish order block, I'll live with it. Oops. We're looking at something like this. Nice. Yeah, it might have been. But we're gonna hop in some puts here. We're gonna line up some oh crap. We're gonna line up some puts just when 2 more minutes till the half hour. We're having to move down. Oh wow, put shot. Oh, around 40 bucks for puts. That's not bad. We're gonna go 10 contracts. That's kind of my usual size. Time frames. I love trading on high time frames. I don't mess with anything really lower than 15 5 minute for some break of structure looks. That's really it. Um, yeah, I like sticking to the 1 2 hour. I think it holds more power. I mean, so I'm entering a trade kind of as we speak. We sweep liquidity. We kiss off this bearish order block. Just put in 10 contracts a SPY. All right, order filled. We got filled a little bit. Oh crap, a little bit lower. Okay, around here. Doesn't have to be exact. So we're in a trade. We're in shorts. Shoot, I gotta let the Discord know. Hold on. All right, got it. My trades. Crap, why is my caps lock on? It's brutal. Everyone. Jeez, man. Got a new keyboard. I can't tell I'm not used to it. Trying to spy puts. We entered at what price point is that? 601.64. Ah, crap. I didn't want to send that. Now I'm forwarding it. Brutal. All right. $601.64. SL 602.48. 602.48. And then TP is sitting at 598.13. Wow. All right, cool. I think that's really all we need to know. Send that out. Hopefully make some people a couple bucks. Get that out the way. Let's see. Phone shut off. Good looks, Carson. All right, up around 65 bucks right now. Trade has a lot of room to go still. TP around down here. Yeah, now it's kind of a waiting game. Exciting part. Already throw. And yeah, set an alert. Let's see. In all honesty, there's nothing saying that price is going to reverse. Obviously, price is going to do what it wants to do. Our biggest worry is on the 15-minute. We have a bearish fair value gap right here, which looks like we're respecting for the time being. Another one down here, very small fair value gaps. I don't think they hold a lot of power. This order block we want to be wary of. Anything on the half hour too. Yeah, so we're probably gonna have 2 take profits. We're gonna have one here. Actually, we're just gonna stick with that. We're not gonna push this. Keep it small. 3.11 RR. Pretty happy with that. Yeah. I mean, all of the boxes are checked for this trade. Of course, price is going to do what it wants to do. I mean, whatever happens, happens. Yeah, just a waiting game now. Oh, man. All right. Little pushback right here. Even if we finish with a doji candle, I don't hate the I don't hate the look of that. Right, trend reversal. Yeah. Irish hat, nah, man. I'm not a Celtics guy. Notre Dame and Sixers, just with the Irish, bro. Yeah. So, in the red right now. Whoops. What am I doing? Here we go. So we're dancing right around the entry point. Not too worried. Like I said, like Kyle, it's my guy. Yeah, this 30-minute fair value gap, very small fair value gap. Actually looks like, oh geez, we did push off that. Yeah. So like I said, doji candle on the 1 hour. I don't hate that, but of course, this candle still has a lot of room to go. Yeah. See what happens. Ooh. Ooh. We don't like the look of that. But yeah, price gonna do what it wants to do. It's all good. Yeah, so we're down, coming up on $100. Another reason I hopped in shorts here is historically there's always a little letdown with the stock market after Christmas, with the past couple of days after Christmas, not the day after necessarily. But yeah, she's really pushed off this fair value gap down here. Put down another alert here. Yeah, price is pushing. Don't love the look of that. But hey, I mean, I liked my entry. We came off this bearish order block with the bearish hammer. Whatever happens. If we come up on this previous high right here, I don't know if I like the idea of holding into this order block again. Another reason I trade on these high time frames, I believe that they hold more power than lower time frames. So you see, we have these these fair value gaps on the half hour, the 15-minute, even the 5-minute has a couple scattered out. But on the 1 hour, the 2 hour, even we don't see. Of course, we have this huge candle, this big bullish push, but there's no reason because there's no candle close. There's no fair value gap with this third candle right here. So there's no reason that we can invalidate. Shoot, switch to QQQ again. There's no reason that we jeez, man. There's no reason that price can't push down right here. Of course, we'll see what happens. Yeah, down $100 right now. Not ideal, but we live to trade another day. That's all it is. My risk management is good here. I mean, risking about $200 a trade. That's kind of my rule with my account size and my risk management. So very happy with that. I actually should be journaling my trade right now. I'll do that later. You guys don't want to watch me writing a book, but yeah, very happy with this entry. We came off this oh yeah, good luck. That's the wave. Honestly, it's what the youth is saying these days. But yeah, price pushed back down to in this candle. We're back to where we started. Like I said, doji candle. I don't hate the look of that either. Doji candle. If you guys aren't aware, pretty sure you guys know. Just a little crash course. Doji candle is just a candle with a thin body and a long wick to the bearish and bullish side. Exactly like we're having now, honestly. And it just shows a tug of war between buyers and sellers. You got to think of trading, it's a constant battle, constant fight between buyers and sellers, right? They're constantly pulling to push price in one direction or another. And ooh, geez, big drop off right there. We love the look of that. Okay, my phone Face ID doesn't want to work. It's all good. All right, back to even. Pretty much, knock on wood. Although I don't think you can jinx the market. There's so many people trading constantly. But yeah. I say good looks. Come on now. Yeah, right back to sorry. Getting close to around entry. Oh, that's gross on the 15-minute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I was talking about the bullish hammers, bullish and bearish hammers. Let me show you guys. Or this is actually a bearish hammer. I should be bearish hammer. We're looking. This is kind of the idea we want. If this, it's a hangman. That's not what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for. Bearish hammer, right? So, I mean, that's exactly what we're having now. Buyers push price all the way up here, and sellers battle back. They fight back and they push all the way down to here. Great entry for shorts. And then this red candle we have right here, that's a very strong, very strong, very strong trend to the downside. So yeah, we like that. Price respecting this fair value gap a little bit, but let's see, should be in the green a little bit now, if not even. All right, back up the green. That's all we can ask for. Yeah, buyers love this fair value gap down on this 15-minute. On the higher time frames, we're still looking at kind of a doji candle with the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. Obviously, a little bit more tilted to the downside. In a perfect world, this candle is going to close looking like that, right? So we still have this wick down at the bottom here. In a perfect world, within the next, I should drop down. I'm not waiting 4 hours. Within the next 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we should fill this wick. And I mean, if we do in the next 30 seconds, I'm not going to complain. Let's see. Yeah, $35. Nothing crazy. Trade has a lot of room to run. Not worried. Let's just see while we're waiting. Another good look for shorts on QQQ. Although you got to be wary of this bearish for value gap. VOO is another ETF I like. I have a lot of long-term investments locked up in VOO. Crazy short entry on VOO also. And then, I mean, you see, you just got to be careful of this bullish order block. And yeah, if you're careful of that and you exit out before that affects price, you should be good, in all honesty. Let's zoom back in a little bit here. All right, man. Thanks, Carson. I'll catch you later, bud. Yeah, we gotta catch a win tomorrow. Then we'll put on Monday. All right. Sitting up $45. We want a little bit more, obviously, but better than losing money. 1242 right now. Pretty late in the day for this trade. I had basketball practice this morning, so I didn't get to the charts until like I don't know. I started this half hour ago, so whatever. Yeah, 33. Price pushing down though. That's what we like to see. I'm hoping that sellers can get enough momentum to break through this fair value gap. Whoops. This bullish fair value gap that we see right here, because definitely run into a little trouble with that. But you can see we have this change of character, sweep liquidity. Stop at all of these sell orders because there are probably a lot of people in the trade with their stop loss at this black line, targeting kind of these lows down here. Or I guess it would be further down. It would be in this fair value gap. So a lot of people probably were looking at a trade like this, and you can see we get stopped out. And yeah, it gives the big sharks and market movers an opportunity to swoop in and push price back down, or in whatever direction, in this case, downward, hopefully. Okay. Yeah, man, this fair value gap right here, giving sellers some trouble. But I mean, you can see the inverted hammer right here. Great look for shorts. If we can fill out that wick, that'd be nice. This bullish wick down here, I'd like to see that get filled out. But again, we'll see what happens. A little bit of momentum come back from buyers off that for value gap. But of course, I mean, on the half hour and 15-minute, I guess it's down here. Yeah. On the half hour and 15-minute, I'm not too worried about it. I mean, this candle is kind of gross. I mean, we have, I don't know if you guys can see, we have highs all the way up here. Low of the candles down here. And then you can see the body shifted to the downside slightly. I'm just hoping that we can fill out the rest of this wick down to here. And I'd be real confident in the trade that we're in right now. Which I'm confident in the trade, but yeah, that'd be looking good for us. Pushing back to around entry. Yeah, nothing crazy right now. Yeah. No huge numbers. Yeah, not a lot of volatility in the market. Kids are not kids. People aren't really in office today. Brokers, at least, not really trading just because of Christmas and stuff. Take another day off. So not a ton of people in the markets, but still enough volatility. Oh no, let's check. Let's look. Does it tell you volatility in the market? Okay, look, CJ. Let's see. See if we can get an idea of how many people are trading right now. Does it not tell you volume? Ah, here it is. Oh, geez. 12 million. It's plenty. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Yeah. Alert of the trade in the Discord. If you're not in, go trade. You'll get alerts no matter what. Hopefully we're pushing through this for value gap finally, up 125 bucks at the moment. Yeah, and I'll show you guys my phone and stuff after I exit the trade. Or I mean, let's give you guys a gotta hide my account details. I don't need you guys doing anything with that. Up about 40 bucks right now, or 140 bucks right now. Knock on wood. We don't want price to reverse right after I say that. Oh, geez. Oh, 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 oh! That shot up kind of quick. Jeez, man. Okay. Huge move. Wow. Wow. We were waiting for that. Oh my god, that's gross. It's gross. Okay. Around 300 bucks. Honestly, honestly, moving stops to 601.27. I want to walk away from this trade profitable. Oh god, that's gross. There we go. Keyboard's so loud. 601.27. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, it's gross. Oh, all right. Whoops. In all honesty, I'm probably getting out of this trade. Although I don't see any signs of reversal. There's nothing. Although, yeah, price is pushing back up. Oh crap! I don't want to buy. I want to sell. Get out the position when it goes more. We did sweep this liquidity right here. We could have been taking out that low. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Out right there. Stops, in all honesty, we're here, but I didn't want to show or make it look like we're getting stopped out. Wow. 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 Honestly, I don't know what else to say. Everybody know we hopped out. Wow. That was kind of crazy. That was kind of wild. Huge move. Let me show you guys. Let this refresh. Let's go. I don't want to show you guys all my account details. $480 off that trade. Very happy with that. Obviously, if I had a better entry, could have got out with more. But no complaints in the slightest. Good trade. Good. I don't know what else to say. It's a good trade right there. Good chunk of money in my pocket. We like to look at that a lot. 2 risk to reward, we like that a lot. That's a really good number. Um, Good looks. Yeah. I mean, you saw we had a tug of war on this fair value gap for a while. Price completely blew through, and we were in the right spot, right time, and we were able to take advantage of that move. So, yeah, welcome to the Discord, man. Thanks for joining. If you're watching, that might have just been by chance, but yeah, continuing this move down. In all honesty, I got a little excited. I saw a huge move, and I saw this liquidity that we grabbed right here. Um, that's on the 5 minute. I probably shouldn't be completely worried about that. I should have been looking for some lows. Never mind. We took out this low on the 30 too, at the same spot. So yeah, probably could have stayed in that trade. But like I said, I got pretty excited. I saw that big move. Not the best emotionless trading that we've seen. I'm like announcing myself. That I've had. It definitely is more difficult that as I'm sitting here looking at the chart. Most of the time, I enter a trade, I step away, and I just let the market do what it does. While I'm doing something else, so I don't have to so I don't have to always worry about what's going on there. So, yeah, pretty happy with that. Good trade. Strap down, lower time frame, get a couple more candles. One last time, hopped in this top candle right here. Hopped in off this. It was like it was a bearish hammer. We had this inverted hammer to the downside. Had some trouble with this fair value gap. But I mean, if you guys were watching, completely bulldozed through all that. And yeah. Whoops. Don't want to get rid of everything. That's the main thing we want to keep. I'll be doing a trade breakdown later on. Yeah, absolutely insane. That was a crazy move down. Yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for spending the past 45 minutes with me if you've been watching the whole thing. One last time, show you guys this. Ooh. Is it there? There it is. $480 on that one trade. 45 minutes. I was just chilling here. Made that. Really good trade. Really good risk to reward. Not over leveraging, none of that. And wow, in all honesty, nah, because that's still a big wick to the upside. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna push anything. I was debating looking at longs with this kind of hammer that we're creating here, but that's enough for today. It's getting late, not late, but late in the trading day. We're sitting around 1 o'clock. Yeah, we don't want to be in some trades for too much longer with that. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Keep a lookout. Go join the Discord. I alerted all the trades right here. I'll let you guys know that I entered that trade. So even if you're not watching my lives, you can still hop in and trade and make a couple bucks. But with that, keep a lookout. I'll be doing a trade breakdown and a couple more videos with that today. Yeah, thanks for spending the past 45 minutes with me. I really appreciate it. And yeah, have a good one.